Hey guys, here we are doing the randomization for mini number 4. We got Kyla, Chris P, Chris Dixon, Tracy, Stella, Justin, and Kasha. So thank you guys all for getting in on this. So good luck. Again, top spot on the final randomization gets 5 spots, second gets 2 spots, and third gets 1 spot. So we'll use random.org. Do a dice roll and get going. So just jump on here live. Alright, so here we are. Alright, we'll grab the list, control copy, draw into here. So we got Kyla, Chris P, Kyla, Chris P with Kasha, Tracy, Kasha at the bottom. Kasha, Tracy, Kasha at the bottom. So, here we go. We'll roll the dice. And that determines how many times we randomize the list. So, we got 7. So, 7 is our number. Come into here. Dice roll is 7. Good luck, everyone. Here we go. 1. Oh, in the giveaway. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last roll. And the winners are Justin, Kasha, and P. Congratulations. Thanks everybody else for playing. We'll probably run 1 or 2 more minis to help get this filled, but right now I think we have 36 spots left in the main. So continue to share, invite people to the group, and get people in on this, and we'll give away $2,500 trip voucher. So thanks again everybody. Have a great day. Cheers.